Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel and welcome to Basic Python for Beginners. In this session we are going to see about looping and conditions. So we can see for each loop as well as if condition, so you will understand a bit. In the single program we are going to cover that variable, list, loop, condition, all the thing you will get to know. Okay, so let me create one new file first. Program dot py. Here what I'm going to do, a is equal to something like, what I can give some name, Ram, Raghu, Kiran, Rajesh. So I have stored 4 values in a list. If I want to print, I can print print of a of 3. Sorry, a of 3. So it will print Rajesh. If I want to print all, just if I want to print one by one all, so what I have to do? In these cases we can use for loop actually. So for each in a, so the a is the list colon. So you should very careful about this indentation. It should start with here only. Don't write from here, the program will not run. Print each, so the each value we have created. Now just run the program. Sorry, print each. See, you can print everything one by one, Ram, Raghu, Kiran, Rajesh. So we have used for each, and the same way leave this actually, just command. And for example, if you want to print for each in 0 to 10, print each. I think just a second. In range we can use, instead of range of something like put 20. So from 0 to 20 it is like that. So it will print 0 to up to 19. Okay, so you can use range to, if you want to print one two things like 1 to 20. The same way you can print a list also. So whatever you stored, it will print each in the list. And if you want to something like, what I can say, if you want to print if it is 10, you have to print some number, or leave this. So I will give an example with this list only. For each in list, it will print, it printed 4. Okay, if it is Kiran, I have to print something else, like our name is found or something, will print something else. Like what you have to do here, if each is equal to Kiran, print name found. Then previous loop, print name, sorry, print each. I think you would have understand. Just let me run and I will show you. Okay, so what I have did, I am going to print one by one in the list for each in A. if each, something like for name, if name is equal to Kiran, print name found. If we have printed outside of this loop, if condition is stopped here only, so it will print Kiran as well. If you don't want to print Kiran, you have to use else print name. Now it will not print Kiran, it will print name found only. See, so this is how we can use a list with, we have written some condition. So we are printing all the names. If your condition matches, it will print something else. So you can use if else, if else, else if also you can use. Got it? This is how we can use looping and conditions in Python. So I don't think it's very difficult like other language. The syntax is also very simple. For each in A, so for some variable in A, if that variable is equal to matches, or you just print that variable, it will print everything in the list. Okay, the indentation you should keep, remember. For example, I can show you the error. So what will happen? See, if it failed here itself, expected an intended block, so you have to mention it here only. So this loop is start, and here if else. Okay, I think if you face any issue with the for loop and if conditions, just put into comments. Please subscribe our channel as well. Thanks for watching.